scrunch it on this side, just like it right here. Why? Because I want to create papers. So the lower part goes at the front and the higher part goes in the back. Okay. Did you see? Take one piece of paper, you fold it, and a slight angle. To be able to create a really beautiful, nice finish right here. Same fold, further away, you position your bouquet right here. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. I pinch